What is your name? Very good. What
Kusgi.
is your name, Adam? Kusgi, unsa? Very good, very good. Yeah. How old are you? How old are you now?
5.
Very good. Ikaw, Dam? 3. Very good. What is your talent?
It's about dancing.
Thank you. What is your talent, Adam? Yeah, sige,
Ako na mo
saya.
saya. Tisa. Ido sa cellphone. Sige, sayaw.
Iya ba? Oh, how din natin alam tayo, oy. Kanta na, kanta.
Kanta na.
Sige na.
Kanta na. Ay, ate. Oy. Tingnan mo. Ay, one. Ay. Ah.
Sige na.
Kusgi. Okay. Ayaw, pinat-pinat. Kusgi, kusgi. I'll chase them away. I'll be alive. I'll make it away. I see a monster in the all away. Ayaw, ayaw. Ayaw, bad to them.
Red
Otro,
color.
otro.
Red.
Otro.
Okay.
Otro.
What is your favorite color, Aba?
Pink.
Pink. What is your favorite color, Adam?
Blue. Red.
Red?
Red.
Very good.
1, 2, 3, go.
What is your favorite food?
Fries.
What is your favorite food, Adam?
What's your favorite food?
Ha? Egg?
Burger food. Egg or burger?
Abi,
Sige, naman na itong contest. Ang mananalo sa contest natin ay
video na to kay awarding man.
Oh.
Aba, Liana.
Graduating ngayon.
Aba, Liana Borja. Dali na.
Tip.
Okay, sulod.
Sulod na.
Adam Kyle Borja.
Dali. Sulod na. King.
Okay,
Sige,
award.
sulod.
Sulod na.
Woohoo! Palakpak. Bye-bye sa